Honey, we're in our room. Someone got in an argument.
What?
Look. Look at these knuckles on the wall. Someone punched it.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, that was 5 knuckles. Someone got in a big fight. That's our view. Manhattan. That's where all the view is. Oh, look at that. Helicopter pad on that. Well, you can park. All right. Thank you. All right. First drink of the day. Yeah, I tipped them already. What do you think? What is it?
Ooh.
Wow. That's a zinger. Right there. Oh, there's pepper. There's pepper in it. That's hot. That's cayenne pepper. Ooh, that's good, guys. Where is it? Hidden in the back. How many you got? That's 5?
No, I have 2 more.
She got 2 more. All right, there it is, behind the seat. Behind the seat. Yes.
Like this.
H2O, packed house. Packed house.
Comedy club.
Packed house.
Where are we going? This way?
Yeah.
Oh my God. It's Coco on.
All right. Ugh. They got the Kansas City game on. Yep. Grotto. And they got it. Kansas City's dirty. 768. We got to go to our room now. Did they?
Yeah.
Someone took the duck. She's excited. Everyone waiting for the room.
Can we go here?
Yeah, yeah. It's already pressed. Just gotta wait. All right, we'll wait. Huh? When did you go before?
Oh, of course. It's something down now.
All right, come on. See? Hello.
It's gonna fall.
All right, come on. We're at the floor. Go. Good. Duck. Oh yeah, look at it. Look at it now. Everybody's back.
Nice.
Now everybody's back in their room. We're back in 8. No, you said 7 something. Look how empty it is now. You want some oysters? They're not open yet. No, they're not open. Look, they all closed. Look how empty. Yeah, the rooms are open now.
This was packed before.
Yeah, no, everyone's in their room getting settled. What's up?
No, I just love it.
All right. We have to go to the right.
To the right?
Yes, to the right. Sorry.
This way, right?
Yeah. 768. Where's our luggage? You think he put it in the
That
room?
might be in the room.
Really? Just keep swimming.
Right here. Oh, yeah, you had cake. Mine's in my bag.
All right, hold on. Hold on, please. Oh, we got the right room.
Oh, I love your name in here yet.
Well, this is our room. Lights on.
There's a lot.
8768, kids.
That's gonna fucking.
Don't curse. Oh, what do we got? No smoking sign, obviously. Yeah. All right, guys, this is our room. Love it. Loving it. What do we got? Storage space. Storage space. Nice little TV. We can move around. Found. And the reefer. Ooh, extra charge. Not very. It's fucking. It's warm. A lot of people don't know. This is not a cooler. It's a seat. Put your room service on. See if our stuff is still here. Oh, thank God. We got some of our stuff here. Hello? She complaining about toilet paper.
Oh, here, never mind.
She lost toilet paper. That's our room. Good stuff. Little safe. Put my stuff in there. And this is our little room.
God, you want to do it.
A shower.
Of course it's already have.
Yeah. And let's check it out. Very clean. Tidy. And, you know, a shower's a shower. I can wash my honey in that. Adjustable. Clothesline. Oh, yeah. Alright, I'll give it a more in-depth room, but that's our room for now. And there's Jen, and I'm going to shut it out, so I have to go. Alright. Uh-oh. Latitudes. It's silver. Oh, here's your free laundry bags. Welcome back. Alright, cool. Better?
I just need to sit here for a little bit.
Honey, we're in our room. Someone got in an argument.
What?
Look. Look at these knuckles on the wall. Someone punched
Oh,
it.
Jesus.
Oh, that was 5 knuckles. Someone got in a big fight in
I
here.
did another 6.
Alright, hold on.
1, 2, 3.
It's alright. There's still people coming on. There's a little balcony. Oh look, we're right there. We can see everybody coming on. That's our view. I'll do a full room tour until we get settled in, but right now, this is what you got. Jen's in there. Kind of snuck in cigarettes. Dirty.